And hello, folks. Welcome to your Tuesday edition of your weathercast. We're checking out with Rapides Hospital with their tower cam. Thank those folks for that. Some clouds looking to the north toward the Curtis Coleman Bridge there. And there has been some rain in the area for today with a little boundary kind of dropping into Cenla. Likewise, in Leesville, we see some buildups in the sky over in that direction under a partly cloudy condition. So coming up, I'll be talking about these things. First of all, dry air. Are you tired of the humidity? Yeah, so most people are. And it's about to win the forecast, though, for a while. A new tropical storm has popped up, and I'll have the October tropical outlook for you. Maybe things closer to home this month. All right, so radar, checking out the hit and miss showers and a few thunderstorms. It's been across central Louisiana for today. There's an outflow boundary. But overall, right now, there's kind of been a decrease from earlier hours of the day in the convection out there. So this front eventually is going to come through the area. It's influencing areas to the north, but I also want to drop to the south to show you how unsettled the tropics are. Look at the eastern Pacific, two tropical cyclones and another potential one here with a surface low. We got this area that we're watching there across the Bay of Campeche, Yucatan Peninsula, and the far northwest Caribbean. So we've got that, and looks like some convective clusters from Cuba northeastward into the Atlantic, and then way out there, that's our new tropical storm. So we got some things going on. All right, so Futurecast, 8 o'clock this evening. If you've got some errands to do or something like that, want to go to a movie or out to eat, a stray shower can't be ruled out there. Once we get into tomorrow morning's commute, I think things are pretty good. I don't see any rain chances through the area during the morning hours. During the PM commute back home, maybe way south along the I-10 or Highway 190 corridor, we could see an isolated shower, but really in Cenla proper, I don't think we'll see anything. And back to Thursday morning, another smooth commute for you, hope, as far as the weather's concerned. So Tropical Storm Jerry, that's the new name that we've got here for today. Popped up earlier today, diagnosed by the Hurricane Center. It will be moving to the west-northwest and then kind of northwest and then start recurving. And this has been a very popular pattern this year, very common pattern in the 2025 hurricane season. It hasn't been good news for Bermuda. They've had some effects, but as far as the United States East Coast, rip currents and high surf were the worst we've got. Now, we did have some problems on the outer banks of North Carolina this year from some near misses, if you believe in that terminology, but some storms nearby enough to collapse some houses and that kind of thing. So far, other than Barry and Chantal, the Gulf has been quiet for a long time. So this Jerry, it looks like it's going to continue that pattern. So here are the details. It's 1,190 miles east-southeast of the northern Leeward Islands. It's moving to the west, just a tad on the north side of due west. So a 280-degree compass heading 270 degrees would be due west at 23 miles an hour. Moving pretty quickly. That's a pretty good pace, faster than typical. So max sustained winds are 50 miles an hour. The central pressure 29.62 inches. It should move a little bit further to the north, maybe on a more of a 290 compass heading here next couple of days at a slower pace, and it should become a hurricane Wednesday or Thursday. Conditions are supportive of that. The northern leewards will begin to feel the effects late this week from that, and there are already some tropical watches and warnings up for those folks down there. Tropical outlook for the remainder of October. Same thing I put in the other day. I don't see any changes. We're still going to be focused in on our side of the Atlantic, the Gulf, and the northwestern Caribbean. Remember, fronts this time of year get into the Gulf. They can serve as focus for convection. Once convection develops, it can create surface low pressure and kind of through feedback mechanisms turn into a tropical cyclone. So the other thing is the Central American Gyre, which is a feature generally from about May through November that is centered over Central America. You get disturbances on each side of it. Get it over the Pacific, you get it over the Atlantic side, and it can generate tropical cyclones on both sides of Central America. That pattern looks to be active here this month. And then don't forget things that can pop up close to shore with the warm water. October remains one of the warmest months over the oceans, okay? And so it lags land by about 2 months. And so there's plenty of warm water left in October for something to pop up close to shore and then dart inland. Okay, so those are the possibilities that I'm outlining. And let's do the 7-day forecast. So, boy, if I've ever seen it, this is a tranquil one. All right, so a mostly cloudy day Wednesday. I do put in a 10% chance of a shower just in case, maybe mainly to the south or something like that. 88 will be a warm day, 69 a warm low. We should be seeing temperatures well below that for the max and the min. So that's a warm day. We'll see a downturn start there for Thursday and a couple of breezy days, Wednesday and Thursday. Winds out of the northeast kind of pushing in that dry air from that direction. Then we notice really a temperature drop there for Friday morning, 58, 84 if you're high. Notice sunshine during the day, clear skies at night, all through that period. 57 for Saturday morning, 58 Sunday, and a couple of 59s Monday and Tuesday. So this is a kind of an extended spell, folks, of this peaceful weather pattern that I really enjoy. And of course, you enjoy it in the morning. You get to go out maybe for that early walk, cup of coffee on the porch or something like that, or just going to work and school. It feels nice and fresh. And the days, yeah, it's warm, but without humidity. And unfortunately, Monday, Tuesday, we get 88, 89 for a high. I don't think the 90s are through yet, folks. So it has been a warm October, and it looks like it will continue to be. All right, Nick Miculus will be back with you tomorrow morning. Be sure to catch his stream, and I'll be back sometime between 5:30 tomorrow evening, be in the forecast center before that, writing out the 7-day forecast. All right, thanks for your support for Sunlaw Weather.